Is up, guys and dolls, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are first time watchers, I am Vicky J. Be sure to go ahead down below and hit the big red button that says subscribe. Today's video I will be reviewing my packages from Sparkling Pretty Collection, and y'all, from the Instagram, I am super hyped. Y'all know that I love really cute jewelry, but it's just something different about a nice ring or a nice bracelet that just like it sets it off for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the packages, because I literally liked every single item that was on the page. And then now that I'm going through Instagram, I think it was yesterday, y'all, she's getting clothes in, and I'm just excited to see where this business is going, because every piece that's on the page, you can tell that like it's thought out, it's customized. And that's another thing, she also does personal customization. So if you message her on Instagram or you go ahead and do it through the site, you can go ahead and chat with her back and forth to see like what it is that you want to add, what you want to take off. I think that she does where you can actually add more charms to bracelets and things for like additional prices. But be sure to go to Instagram, add her at Sparkling Pretty Collection for all of that information. But let's get into the review. So this one here is the first package, and on the back it says pretty things inside. That's really cute. Y'all know I love anything pink, so the packaging definitely gets an A+, and the pretty things inside just adds that pop of extraness that I look for in everything. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I've taken it out. Oh, this is so pretty! So when you open it, it comes in the reflector package like this here. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. And it has the rip tears. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the rip tears here. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip it. Ouch. Jeez, I'm clumsy. So when you open it, y'all, I am so freaking excited. Oh my gosh. So the first thing here, oh my god, y'all, it's like Christmas. So the first thing here, we have some lip gloss. And the lip gloss is the coconut oil lip gloss. It hydrates lips, locks in moisture, and it shines. Y'all know I like the song, my lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is cool, all the boys keep talking, they chase me after school, and I'll be loving it, I'll be loving it. And I also got this really cute blue puff here, and y'all, this is super duper easy, and it is so freaking reliable, because if you're like me, I'll put a chapstick in my pocket or in my purse, and then by like the end of the evening, I'm like, oh, I lost another one. So y'all, definitely go get these, because it can hook onto your keys, and I'm sure y'all won't leave y'all keys nowhere, so your chapstick will not be lost anywhere either. So let's go ahead and get into the bracelet. So then, like I said, it comes in the reflector package. Out of the reflector package, it then comes in a cute little pink bag like this. Y'all, I am so excited. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am so freaking excited. So the first one here, you have the white bow, like so, that says Chanel. And the pink here, that also says Chanel. Next, you have the emblem here, the Chanel here, and the pretty blue Chanel. And of course, y'all, the Tiffany & Company. I don't know if y'all can see. There we go. The Tiffany & Company. Don't judge my nails. We are in quarantine. Y'all, it is so freaking cute. And it looks like this here. Y'all, it is so stinking cute. I freaking love it. Y'all, so now when I talk, I'm gonna be like, what you said? Like, hold on. I didn't quite hear that. Oh my god. That's how I'm gonna laugh now. Y'all, but when I say I absolutely freaking love them, oh my freaking gosh, y'all, this just made her customer service like over the freaking top. Her service was already good, but y'all, to get the product and see that like she thought so much out with the packaging, you can't beat it, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And I don't know if it was supposed to match, but it does anyway, so this is even cuter, y'all. So on my bracelet I have how many charms? Was y'all counting? Because I wasn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 3 bangles, 6 charms, 2 a piece on each one here. And y'all, I'm just in love with it. Like, I know y'all keep seeing me looking at it, but I'm just in freaking love with it. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So guys, let's go ahead and open package 2, y'all. When I tell y'all, I'm just super excited. It's like I just keep looking at it. Like, I just, okay, let me just shut up and open the next package, y'all. Let's open this one here. Y'all, I'm in freaking love. So the first one here is the black and white bow tie. This one is Chanel. This one, oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. You can't really see it on the camera, but it is pink, black, and white Chanel. And y'all, yeah, even if I still, you can see it a little bit here, but not really so. But pictures will definitely be included because these are too gorgeous for you guys not to see them. And then you have the black emblem here with the pink cocoa here. Y'all, I just, oh my gosh, gorgeous. Let's go to the next one. Y'all, I just, I'm speechless, and that never happens. So y'all know, like, this is not a forced review. It's not a paid review, anything, y'all. I usually open my, baby girl. Y'all, look. This is so pretty. It's red. This one here says never give up, and it's the Chanel. Then we have the girl, long heel, red bottoms. Got the shoes, and this one says, give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world. Marilyn Monroe. I know that's right. And then this one here is the Tropical Chanel also. Y'all, when I tell y'all, she did her thing with these. Like I told y'all, every single item, it was literally customized. If you are still watching this video, what I need you to do right now, scroll down to the description box and hit the link. The link takes you directly to her site. What I need y'all to do right now, don't even subscribe to my channel today. Subscribe tomorrow. Right now, go to her website at www.sparklingprettycollection and get yours before they are gone. I'm not even doing an intro. I'm just like, I'm just appalled. Y'all, go get y'all collection from Sparkly Pretty Collection. And until next time, thanks for watching.
Oh, I knew you would call back.